right, we're going to talk next level lyric writing. So if you're a lyric beginner and you're just proud of yourself for finishing a draft of a song, then I am proud of you too, and I want to celebrate that. And you just keep plugging away and keep doing what you're doing. But if you're a seasoned lyric writer, then you're the one that I'm talking to. What I want to talk about today is using a device in your lyric. And by a device, I mean some little wordplay or some little repeated phrase or some little rhyming trick, or any kind of structural device that you're using in the crafting of your lyric and melody. And the message I have for you is sometimes we get so in love with the device that we're using and we're so up close to what we're doing that we can sort of lose sight of what the listener experiences in the song. We can be so proud of the craft and the wordplay and whatever, that what we lose connection with is that for the listener, what we consider to be an accomplishment may actually be a big distraction from the big message, from the big picture of the song. Say you're going to use a writing device of like, tell me this, tell me that, tell me this, and then you tell me, and then da-da-da-da, why don't you tell me? Like, say you're trying to make tell me be, I'm just literally grabbing that out of the air. What if you're trying to use that as a device and your whole chorus, you've got it all throughout, and then by the end of the chorus, we've heard tell me like 12 times. At some point, it might be a little bit much, and there might need to be some careful balance of how much do you lean into that device, and at what point is that device becoming the center of the attention and we're missing the larger meaning, we're missing the larger messaging, and we're not able to appreciate the song for what it is because there's so much attention to this one little device. The listener is now distracted by it. I mean, I've even had feedback back in my early writing career. I've had a song that I had really worked on this rhyming, coming up with rhyming pairs of lines, and I was like so proud of it. I'd written like 12 drafts of that lyric, and I was so proud of it. And then I sent it in for something, and the feedback that I got was they said I was so distracted by how much rhyming was going on that I just wasn't even able to listen to the song. And I was kind of crestfallen, but at the same time, I still remember that feedback 20 plus years later. So that's just a thought. Is your device serving the big picture or is it distracting from it?